Hey guys, today I'll be going to the workshop of my good friend in the city to do a few things to my car. First things first is basic maintenance. I'm gonna change the oil. Gonna get the weird noise checked at the back of my LSD. And then when I'm driving, sometimes the steering wheel shakes a lot, so I'm gonna get it checked today. So hope you guys enjoy the show. So yeah, this is the workshop. It's right near the racetrack of where I live. So basically we just turn left over there and you basically reach the racetrack, which makes this very convenient. So yep. This is the boss of this garage, PA, เจ้าของร้านนะ He's the one always taking care of my car. And yeah, this is his jazz over here. As you can see from his accolades, you can see he's a very seasoned driver over here. Plenty of events. See right there.
เพราะว่ามันวิ่งสูสีไงมีแต่เครื่อง L ดี
โคตรดีดิ
ไม่ต้องมามี K มี
ดีกว่าเล่นคลับเลสไง
อยู่ตรงนี้ตัวนี้คืออะไรนี่
นี่แหละ
ที่โยกอย่างเงี้ยที่สั่นอย่างเงี้ยอะไรหลวมนั่นไปดูข้างล่างนี่อะไรหลวมมุดฮะหลวมตัวไหนหลวมนัดตัวไหนเคยโชคใช่ไหมจะได้ถอดล้อมาเพื่อขันใช่ไหมเนี่ยนี่คือที่หลวมชิ้นแรกก่อนนะแก้ชิ้นแรกก่อนเนี่ยอย่างเงี้ยไม่ได้เลยเนี่ยโชคอ่ะอ๋อขาดบนเหรอคลายชม
So this is one of the race cars of the owner's workshop. It's a simple Honda Jazz.
แคมเส้นเดียว
เครื่องอะไร
เส้นเดียว
เครื่องอะไรครับ
หนึ่งใบ
เครื่องอะไรครับพี่
L15
L15
เครื่องที่โมระเบิดไปแล้ว
เครื่องเดิมเหรอ
โค้ง3เหมือนกันเลยโป๊ด108สับเกียร์3ปุ๊บหมุนด้วยอ่ะมีหมุนโชว์ด้วยอ่ะหมุนไหมตอนนั้นตอนแรกหมุนไหมไม่ได้เหยียบรองน้ำมันตัวเองอันนี้เหยียบน้ำมันตัวเองเต็มๆไปเป็นลูกข่างเลยดีกล้องไม่จับได้
So basically he was saying that the engine, the old engine, it exploded during the last race because he spun out. When he spun out, it exploded. So yeah, so he swapped in a standard L15 for the next race, which is coming next week. Yeah. So basically, it's just a gutted out car. Quite neatly done. Battery relocated to the back. Standard console. Fire extinguisher. Just upgraded LSD, transmission, and suspension for now. But for now, the engine is stock L15. So the good thing about Thailand is that Hondas like L15s, D series, they are super cheap over here, about 200 to 300 US dollars. And you can just simply get them from almost any junkyard. You can get it shipped to you and you can just put it in. It's cheap. So that's why the car culture here is so vibrant because of the prices. But of course things like, you know, like the 1JZs, the 2JZs, the RBs, they are still expensive because there's a huge demand for them around the world. But for like normal engines like the L series and the D series, they are very cheap over here. So people they can do things like this. Yeah, interesting.
ขึ้นจะตัดอะไรขึ้น
Okay, so while they are changing the brake pad, I'm just gonna grab a quick bite over here. So another thing about Thailand is that the food here is really affordable and of course delicious at the same time. So a basic meal will cost me about, with drink, about 70 to 80 baht, which is about I think 2 USD or $3 Sing. Which I feel it really helps with the cost of living. Alright, so what they call this is tom sap in Thailand. Okay, it's basically beef, boiled beef, and boiled beef soup and rice. So yeah, just look at it. It's really, really good. Okay, so let's enjoy the meal. So another thing that you guys have to take note, if you ever own a car with a wide body kit, you get dirt built up like this, which is very, very unsightly to see. A lot of dirt. So yeah, I'll be trying to clean it off right now while waiting for the big pad to arrive. Yeah, just little small things. Alright, so we got the new big pad in. Everything's looking good. Clean up the suspension a little bit. And yeah, so I hope the sound will go away. So it's done for both sides. Big pad. If you're wondering what this caliper is, that was the caliper for my hydraulic handbrake. But the problem is it's not working right now. So yeah, hopefully the sound will be gone. Hey guys, I'm back home from the workshop. Gonna get myself prepared for work in the evening for my students. So the damage was about 3,500 baht. That includes the oil change, the brake pads, and of course him helping me solve the shaking due to a loose nut at near the suspension joint. So yeah, I feel that's a very fair price over here. And as you guys know, when the car is working, we are happy. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you next time. Bye. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. Want to say bye to the camera? Bye.